Hey guys, Captain Fatty here. We're living in some crazy times right now, and that's one of the reasons I've decided to actually give back and run a limited time special offer for something that you can use to build an online business from the ground up, scale that business, and just something that can actually change your life, change your business, and give you everything you need in order to make a lot of money online and just give you the freedom that you deserve. So I know a lot of you guys have been around the block and you would have purchased a lot of products. Many of them I expect that would have over promised and under delivered. So in this video I'm going to reveal everything that's included inside this special offer, and we're going to go into the membership site. I'm going to show you everything that's included, and I've just got an awful lot of information for you guys. So in front of me are 108 checklists which we will talk about. A complete list of everything that's included, including the 3 bonus products, which will give you all the information and guidance you need to set up your business right. It will include an affiliate marketing and trading case study course, which allowed me to bank over $12,000 in 21 days from promoting other people's products. And I've also included a brand new training course that will show you how to scale your business to $20,000 per month the fastest way by just making a few small tweaks in what you're already doing. So right now I've got 4 checklist volumes in front of me. Our membership site checklists, which are 18 checklists and guides showing you everything you know about how to research your membership site, how to get set up, how to get traffic, how to monetize your membership site. And these are they're in checklist format. You can tick them off, you can go through them, and they're designed in an A to Z format. So starting off, what you need to do to get started, all the way through to actually maintaining it, generating traffic and scaling it. We also have our lead generation checklists. Again, it's 18 checklists and guides showing you how to generate leads for any type of business. It doesn't matter if you're just starting off, you need to do affiliate marketing, if it's e-com, even if you've got an offline business. These are 18 step-by-step guides. How to go, each method goes into really deep information of how to get up and get leads using these 18 methods. On top of that, we've got our daily planning tasks and staying organized checklists. If you want to increase your productivity, if you want to get more done, if you want to have more free time and actually increase your results, these are, you could say, complete game-changing checklists as well. And on top of that, we have our funnel checklists, which are just completely, absolutely mind-blowing checklists. All the different types of funnels, funnel hacking, funnel copy, thank you pages, funnel designs, bridge pages, tripwire funnels, persuasion and conversion triggers, absolutely everything that you need to know about marketing and funnels online. And basically, this is what the whole online business is about. It's actually about funnels. So this is just a super essential training. And these are all instantly available to you guys today. And in the end of May, we'll be releasing our e-commerce checklists. 18 checklists on e-commerce, and available in May will be our Instagram marketing checklists. As you can see, it's just tons and tons of content here for you guys. Now, these checklists also come with white label, private label rights. So I'm just going to switch to the computer and I'm just going to show you everything that's included in the members area and explain to you what white label, private label rights means. So the checklists come in 6 different formats. They come in printable PDF format, so you can just click this, download all the checklists in one go and print them out and use them any way you wish. They come in editable doc files, so you've got the Word doc or the Google doc to these spreadsheets, to these checklists, and from there you can come along and you can rebrand them, you can add your name, you can add your logo, you can use them any way you wish. They also come in mind map format and HTML interactive format. Some people just like to use the online software versions we have of these checklists, and they also come in Google Spreadsheet and Excel. So you can basically, they're all formatted into spreadsheets. So again, it just makes it easier for you to modify them any way you wish. So I'm just going to explain some of the ways that you can actually profit from these checklists. So Number one, you can rebrand them and sell them over and over again. Number two, you can turn them into a video product of your own. Number three, you can rebrand them and use them as an upsell in your funnel. Number four, you can turn them into high quality blog posts. Number five, you can use them as bonuses for your affiliate promotions. Number six, you can use as content inside your membership site. Number seven, you can use these checklists to actually build your email list. Number eight, you can increase the value of your existing product by adding more checklists and more resources, considering we've done all the work for you. You can turn them into a webinar presentation. You can use them in your coaching program. You can translate them into different languages. You can educate yourself and actually profit from these checklists. Now, as you can see, this is an amazing deal, and we haven't even got into the training and bonuses yet. But if you're interested in jumping on board, just click the link below this video. You can see everything that we're getting. It's just an amazing deal we've got for you guys today for only $3. So, okay, let's get into the training. Every month for the past 28 months, we have done live webinar training with our members. And we've been covering everything from affiliate marketing, product creation, outsourcing, traffic generation, messenger bots, absolutely everything across the board. Each one of these webinar trainings are worth at least $97, and you guys are going to get access to every one of them for free. So in total, there's over 37 hours of training, because you're going to get 8 of my existing products as well. These are some of my top products and my most recent products. You're going to get them included. We've been always adding more training to the actual membership area. So on top of that, you're going to get live monthly webinars with me. Every single month we hold webinars. You'll get the access link. It's exclusive members only webinars. You can ask as many questions as you want, and each month I'm delivering a lot of valuable content on a particular marketing topic. So you also get access to our 20K extra training program. This is a training program of how anyone can make an extra $20,000 to their monthly revenue. You're going to get access to our Commission 5 training program to ensure that all your affiliate promotions earn more than $1,000. And you're going to get access to our I Am Newbie, which is a 5-hour webinar training of how to get started. And that has actually broke into 30 individual training videos as well. All this webinar training has been updated for 2020, so you're just going to get the most up-to-date information on starting and scaling your online business. Now, again, I say, guys, it's a fantastic offer. It's only $3 to actually get access to everything that I've mentioned. Now, here's the funny part. You can buy all these individual checklists for $37 each. You can log off this website and you can go pick them all up for $37 each. That's going to cost you $222. Our training programs that I've mentioned are all available for around $27, and you're going to get 8 of them. That's another $216. And our webinar trainings are valued at around $97 each. You're going to get over 28 of them, so that's valued at $2,716. So in total, you have $3,124 in value here. And you're going to get everything today for $3. So let's just do a recap for everything you're going to get. 18 checklists on membership sites, 18 checklists on and guides on lead sources, 18 checklist guides on daily planning tasks and staying organized, 18 checklist guides on funnels, live exclusive members only webinar training, access to our webinar replays from 2018, 2019 and 2020, access to our lazy affiliate method training program, access to our 15 monetization methods training program, access to Kevin's productivity hacks training program, a complete product creation training course, a complete PLR training course, and access to 3 exclusive bonuses, 20K extra, Commission 5 and I Am Newbie, plus a ton more, guys. This is a fantastic deal that you're going to get. So once you're inside the members area, you'll get instant access. You'll be able to download all the checklists. You'll be able to access all the training. The only thing that's for you left to do now, guys, is click the link below this video, log in, access everything for just $3. Now, it is important to keep in mind that this is a limited time special offer. Chances are that if you go away from this page and come back, that the bonuses will be removed, the extra training will be removed, and the checklists could be priced at $37 each. So do not delay. Just click the link below, guys. I will see you inside the membership area. For a mere $3, you get access to all the checklists, all the training. Below this video, you're going to see testimonials from our previous students, all the feedback, and an outline of everything that you're going to get. So don't delay, click the link below, and I'll see you inside the members area.